Hey guys, Sean here from Tesla Family. We're not going to talk to you about Tesla cars today, but we do love batteries so much. We're going to talk to you about our cordless backpack blower that we bought from Ego. We're going to do an unboxing, show you all the features of the Ego backpack blower, and give it a test run. So let's check it out. Backpack blower replaces this device here, a trusty little home light, 2-speed corded handheld blower. It worked well, but it got really annoying to have to drag the cord around everywhere we went and plug it in. I'm really looking forward to having a cordless blower. So this is actually up for sale. We put it up on Facebook Marketplace for, I believe, 15 or 20 bucks. And if you haven't seen it yet, check out our video on our Ego 56 volt lithium ion cordless mower. We bought this last spring and we love it. That's why we're looking forward to this cordless backpack blower. If you haven't seen the video, check it out here at the link above. Alright, so on the front of the box here, we got the Ego Power Plus backpack blower. 600 cubic feet per minute. It's a cordless backpack blower. Little diagram of it. It's a battery powered blower. We do already have the battery. This particular unit, the battery and charger were not included. We got this as a Black Friday sale from Home Depot. We paid $139. It took about a month to come in, actually. After Black Friday, we picked it up closer to Christmas, and here it is. We're getting into springtime now, and we're finally going to unbox it and test it out. So because we already have the mower, we already have a battery pack here. This is the Ego 56 volt lithium ion battery pack and charger, and it works well for our mower. The mower can mow for a good hour or so. So interested to see how long we can use the blower here with the battery pack on a full charge. This also uses the ARC lithium 56 volt battery. They're saying 8 times quieter than a gas blower, 600 cubic feet per minute, and a brushless motor with a 5-year warranty from Ego. Let's open it up. Alright, so as soon as we open the box, the lid of the box here, it does show all the Ego tools here. We already have the 21-inch self-propelled mower, as I mentioned before, and now we have the 600 cubic foot backpack blower. Would be interested here in getting the string trimmer as well at some point. Chainsaw would be nice, although I've got a reciprocating saw. Corded reciprocating saw that should be able to reach most of the things in your yard. Hedge trimmer, we already have a corded hedge trimmer as well. Alright, so first thing I'm pulling out of the box here looks to be one of the blower tubes here with a sticker on it. It says 600 cubic feet a minute. Hollow blower tube here. Put that front. And another part of the blower tube here. It says Ego on it. And looks like here we go. Here is the unit. And it was nice to have this handle to be able to lift it up. And at the very bottom we have this, looks like probably the instruction manual here. Take a look at that. So we've got the registration information. That we can send in to register the products for the 5-year warranty, and then here we are. Here is the Ego Power Blower, 56 volt lithium ion cordless backpack blower, model number LB6000. Operator's manual. We can go through this here in a little bit. Let's put this thing together and go over the features. Might as well go over the specifications of this blower here. Again, 56 volt, DC battery powered. The air volume has 3 settings: a low, 260 cubic feet a minute; high, 500 cubic feet a minute; and boost, an extra 100 cubic feet per minute. Boost pushes you up to 600 cubic feet per minute. Maximum air velocity 145 miles per hour on boost. Otherwise, the average air velocity on low is 50 miles per hour, high 100 miles per hour, and boost 120 miles per hour. Just as a comparison to our old handheld blower here, it was 2-speed, 120 mile per hour and 150 mile per hour. So our new Ego actually does not have as high of a miles per hour, but I think what's going to be key here is the cubic feet per minute, the amount of air volume that is coming out. It doesn't matter the speed, it's the amount of air that we're going to be pushing around. That will be helpful. So we have a 56 volt 7.5 amp hour battery, so the run time should be a little bit longer than this, maybe another 50% longer. So on boost, I'd say somewhere around 20-25 minutes. With our battery, high speed probably closer to 30 or 35 minutes, and then on low speed probably pushing closer to 2.5 hours. Weight of the blower without the battery pack, 12.5 pounds. All right, let's go over a couple pieces of the blower here. As mentioned before, we have the front tube and middle tube. The part with Ego on it would be the front tube. Go ahead and put these two pieces together. Here is the control handle with likely a trigger and a safety on it. Just like flying a fighter jet. Here's the turbo button on the very top. We do have variable speeds here. We do have variable speeds from low to high. Several settings here. We could test all of those out. Here is the air inlet and the actual motor of the unit with Ego written on the side. And looking at the backpack here, nice looking backpack. The battery is going to slide on right here. Here's the electrical contacts. Around the other side, we've got the actual backpack straps. There's a waist strap here with buckles, a 2 shoulder straps, and even a chest strap as well. Everything's fully adjustable. So here's the battery release mechanism. Just turn it like this, and the ejection mechanism. All right, we're gonna go ahead and assemble the sections here, the lower section and upper section. They go in. There's a kind of a button here that slides in, and then we're gonna twist it. Go. Okay, and then on the front we're going to do the same thing. Just slide these pins in on the side, give it a good twist and a lock. There we go. It's locked on. We're good to go. Looks like the handle. Okay, this is what the screw is for here, is to lock the handle in a good position depending on how long your arm is. So we'll go ahead and put the backpack on, and then we'll adjust that in a minute. Okay, I'm going to drop the battery pack on the back here. We do have a full charge. And it's clicked on. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the pack on, and we're going to use some safety glasses and earplugs, and we're going to give it a go. All right, let's put this thing on and test it out. Here we go. Up here with the convenient handle, I'm going to unclip the waist strap, chest strap, just like any ordinary backpack. We've already got the battery in. It feels awesome. I feel like a superhero. I'm going to lower it down to get the straps closer to my waist here. These are the shoulder straps. And we'll open up the the waist straps a little bit here. It comes there almost all the way. There we go. Just to get the weight of everything. It's only 12.5 pounds with the battery, maybe 20 pounds. Chest strap. Feels like I'm going on a hike. Okay, everything is good to go. And we've got the handle. We can adjust this here to the length of my arm. Adjusting this screw here, we can slide it forward and backward. I think I want to bring it all the way forward. I got kind of longer arms, so bring it forward, tighten it down. All right, battery pack's in. I think we're ready to go. Let me put on some earplugs and safety glasses real quick. Safety first, right? It's definitely not gonna be as loud as a gas blower, but we're gonna test out the boost. Let's see if it fires up. Safety and trigger. Yeah, low's pretty low. It's actually doing a good job on low. All right, we're gonna change the settings. We're gonna go up from low to high. Let's do turbo. Let's go check out some leaves. Alright, we're going to start with low settings first to see if it even moves any of the leaves, and then we'll turn it up. Not really doing a great job. Let's jack it up. Go right to high. And turbo. Alright guys, I've been going for about a half an hour now, and there's still plenty of juice left here. You can see behind me, I was able to blow all of our leaves here up here on the back, on our back landscaping up against the fence, so it'll be a little easier to bag up later on when we get around to that. And plenty of juice. Like I said, I was using the blower for half an hour on a mixture of high and boost, or high and turbo, and it really did a good job. I'm very impressed with this backpack blower. Like I said, just about able to do my entire yard, even some of the side fencing over here, clear the leaves out, and even blast some of the leaves out from that were stuck here into some of our shrubbery. So that's a lot of fun. All right guys, as I mentioned, really loving the backpack blower. Probably if I had to say, if I had to talk to you about a negative or two, I would say that the range of motion of it is leaves a little bit more to be desired. You probably got about a 90-degree sweep here, and only on one side. There's a couple of times when I was blowing the leaves that I really wished that I could have switched the blower onto the other side. Now I can obviously pivot my body and it works fine. The other thing, I was using the blower for about a half an hour, and just the position of my arm was getting a little bit not tired, but I just wanted to move it to somewhere else. So those are the only two minor things. Otherwise, I'm not going to return the blower. I love it. We're going to keep using it, and it's awesome. I even have enough juice left for a little bit of wiffle ball cannon action here. Here we go. Don't try this at home. That's a lot of fun. All right, that's it. Pretty cool. If you like the video, leave a comment, give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to our page.